Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Upasna where I upload videos for internships placement offers. Recently I uploaded a video of Morgan Stanley which is hiring for spring and summer analyst for 25 and 26 batch. So make sure you register in this because the applications will be closing as soon as possible. And also if you are second year student you can register in NXP Women in Tech event, and if you are third year student you can register in Atlassian Women in Tech event. Okay, so today's video will be a new opportunity for all of you. So if you are tired of looking paid internship opportunities, then Unstop is one such platform where you can get hackathons, internships, coding challenges, placement opportunities. And now there is one such hiring opportunity for all of you via Unstop only. So if you are in 24 or 25 batch, then this video can change your career as you will be getting 40,000 per month as the internship stipend. And those who perform well in the internship, they will have the package of 21 to 27 lakh per annum. So, ready to begin your career with this amazing stipend? Let's start the video. Watch this video till the end to know about everything like the selection process, what you need to do in the MCQ, how the interviews goes for this company, everything. Okay. So, let's start the video. So I'm talking about Just Pay Hiring Challenge, which is back with amazing rewards for 24 and 25 batch. They will hire the students for the internships and placements via this challenge only. So last day to register for this challenge is 18th September. So make sure you register in this as soon as possible. And it also does not require any team participation. It is an individual competition where you need to register as individual participant and then you need to give all the rounds. Okay, all the rounds are eliminatory in nature. So join the JustPay hiring challenge and be the part of pioneering fintech company transforming the digital payment landscape. So JustPay has a vision to redefine the online payment experience by providing one-click payments on the web and mobile. This is basically about the company. So they are looking for talented software development engineers to join their mission, and there is no scope of referral for this challenge. You need to give all the tests and then get the internship offer. Okay, coming to how many rounds will be there will be three rounds for this challenge: your MCQ assessment, your coding test, and the final interviews. And all of these will be eliminatory in nature, which means if you clear the MCQ test, only then you will be able to clear the give the coding test, and if you clear the coding test, then only you will be called for the final interviews. Okay, so don't wait for the last date to register. Application link is in the description, so register in it as soon as possible. Coming to the eligibility criteria now, the challenge is open to all engineering students who are in their final year of BTech and who have graduated like the 24 or 25 batch. Okay, and it is open to all branches, like if you are from MA, chemical, civil, anyone can participate in this. So you need to register individually for this challenge as I already mentioned, and the participating students can be from any specialization. I already told this, and there is also no restriction on the number of participants from an institute. So this is an off-campus opportunity. Any number of students can participate from your college. Okay, and also plag is strictly prohibited during this challenge. If plag is found on your test, then it will result in the immediate disqualification. So please don't cheat in this exam. If you want to get the internship, do it with honesty. Okay, and also don't register using multiple IDs to participate in this. Coming to rounds, first will be your MCQ round. So who all are eligible, they will first check the eligibility and who all are eligible. After registering for the challenge, you will go under the MCQ challenge. So everybody will be getting this MCQ list, and based on their test score the participants will be shortlisted to proceed to the next stage. As I already told you, this is an eliminatory round. Okay, questions will be based on the topics like C, data structures, algorithm, ML, object oriented programming questions, along with some other computer science fundamentals. So now comes here the most important part: how to prepare for this round. So for MCQ, I would suggest you to go to interview bit. They have plenty of MCQ questions, and I also prepared placement resource PDF, which is free for all of you, where you can check every MCQ question for every CS fundamental for computer network, OOPS, DBMS, SQL. And I also have given some notes and some famous YouTube channels from where you can practice these questions. Okay. For algorithms, you can watch the videos of Abdul Bari. For OOPS, I have given that list in the placement resource PDF. And in if they have mentioned like topics like C data structures, so they can expect you to know the debugging, like input output questions also. So if, for example, they'll give you a code snippet, you need to find the error, that is known as debugging. And if they have given the code snippet, they would expect you to know the output of that code. Okay, you will have the 30 answers, 30 questions will need to be answered in 30 minutes, so basically 1 minute for one question. Okay, and be active on your given email id, because they'll communicate everything over the email id only. And you can take the test anytime within the quiz window. So they, what is the quiz window? They will give the test window like from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. you can attempt the test. So within that timeline you can attempt the test any time. Okay, for CS fundamentals, I already told you, go to the description, check the placement resource PDF and check it. Okay. I personally have given interviews in past few days, so that PDF worked for me. So make sure you check all the resources recommended there. For MCQ questions, interview bit website also I'll give in the description. Okay. Coming to round number two, that is your coding challenge. So only shortlisted participants from the MCQ round will undergo an online coding challenge where they will be tested on their basic coding skills. So based on the test score, participant will be shortlisted to the proceed to the next stage, basically your final interviews. Okay, you will be notified via email all obviously for this, and you will have the 90 minutes to take the test. Basically you will be having DSA questions in this. Okay, and evaluation criteria they specifically mentioned on their website. It will not be limited to the test score, time taken to complete the test, even the quality of code will also be tested. So make sure you do not copy paste from ChatGPT. In your coding challenge, don't copy paste the code, otherwise it will lead to flag and it will reduce your chances of getting selected selection. And also try to reduce time and space complexity in the DSA round, which will increase your chances of selection. So coming to round number three, after the DSA questions you given and cleared all the test cases, you will have the round three, and round three will have final interviews. So all the top shortlisted coders will be scheduled to undergo their interview process, and they will share the details with the shortlisted participants. So basically, for the technical interviews, you are expected to know DSA, DBMS, OOPS questions, and they can ask you to write the code in the interview also, like OOPS questions, encapsulation, polymorphism code, inheritance code, and their example also. Recently, in an interview, students were asked some real life examples of DBMS. So be prepared with examples and codes. Okay, you can be expected to optimize your previous round code also. Suppose you attempted one DSA question in the coding challenge, so in the interview you can be expected to optimize that solution. Okay, you also may be asked to solve the puzzles in the round. So for the puzzles, I would recommend you GFG 20 puzzles or top 100 puzzles of GFG, Geeks for Geeks, from where you can practice about this. Last round is your HR round, where they will ask you some HR questions like, tell me about yourself, why Just Be, how do you see yourself after 5 years from now, what are your strength and weakness, and some leadership questions also. For example, if you are in a team and your one team member is not working and you are not a team leader, you are normally a team member, so how would you convey this to your team, and how would you enable the teamwork distribution in the team? Okay, some team based question also can come, some leadership questions can also come. So the shortlisted candidates will be hired as the interns for 8 to 12 months, like your full time in the office only. And when if you perform well in your internship, and so the basis on the basis of your performance, you will be converted to the full time role, and your stipend during the internship will be 40,000, and full time candidates will be offered with the compensation of 21 to 27 LPA, which is very big amount. Okay, so if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and register for this as soon as possible. Don't wait till the last moment. This is on Unstop, the platform I'm sharing behind in my screen, and I'll give the link in the description. Also check the placement resource PDF, some interview bit questions also on the description only. Okay, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Share this video as much as possible to your friends who are in 24 and 25 batch. Okay, last day to register for this is 18th September, so don't wait till the last date because only 3 days are left for this. Okay, so all the best, apply as soon as possible. Bye.